ASU School of Sustainability was fortunate to host 16 students from China in a 2-week in-residence program on the ASU Tempe campus on global sustainability challenges.
The goal of the 2-week program was to introduce some sustainability principles and talk about some of the global challenges that the planet's currently facing. Ultimately, we tried to create an environment where students would be comfortable at the end having a discourse about some of these modern sustainability challenges. The instructor for the program was Professor Marty Andires of ASU School of Sustainability, who's lived in China and he's actually worked on some sustainability issues in China. His research and teaching combine qualitative insights about human systems with mathematical modeling. And he studies how individual decision-making and it combines with governance systems to create outcomes both in social and environmental systems.
The way I've tried to tee up the Global Sustainability Challenge in this workshop is to focus on 4 examples: food, energy, water, and urbanization, right? And then in the second week, reframe the challenge as a systems challenge. We can't focus our attention on any one of those issues. They all interact in a very deep way, and the dynamics that they generate are extremely complex, and we have to take that into consideration when we make decisions. Each morning, we have the students present a picture that we've provided for them, and they discuss the key sustainability issues that are displayed in the picture using the ideas from the course. And then we have a lecture, introduce some new concepts, and then each second session of each day we have an interactive activity where we try to get the students to use the concepts. For example, in playing a game, a supply chain management game, so they can understand how decentralized decisions generate very complex dynamics. Today, for example, we're going to be looking at fractal images, so the students can understand how simple models generate extreme complexity. And then towards the end of the week, we're going to have the students get in teams to present using systems ideas, connections between the photos that they've been presenting individually up to that point.
Dr. Andires' curriculum was a combination of lectures, in-class discussions, group activities, documentary viewings, games, guest speakers, and group presentations. After the classroom sessions, students were invited on a variety of sustainability-themed field trips and cultural events throughout the metropolitan Phoenix area. Since this was a residential program, students lived on campus in housing where they could experience the vibrancy and energy of the ASU community. Students were also granted access to our state-of-the-art student recreational facility where they could participate in individual workouts and group sports. Participants were able to experience American food culture with a dining plan that gave them access to over 50 on-campus dining locations, including dining halls, fast casual restaurants, and on-campus cafes. ASU's Tempe campus is located in the heart of downtown Tempe, within easy walking distance to attractions and also a large transportation center where participants were able to access all of the attractions throughout the city, including shopping, sporting venues, and other cultural sites.
I would say that it's 2 weeks very well spent, I would hope, that you can get a broad overview of the main sustainability issues in those 4 areas I mentioned earlier: food, energy, water, and urbanization, and learn to think in systems terms so that you can understand that every decision impacts everything else. And I think it's an excellent opportunity to get an overview of sustainability.